What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I got the wheel well I got these pieces welded in to close off the two panels. It was different than Hell Rock Garage video, so yeah, I'm just kind of rolling with it. Looks pretty good. I'm not a great welder, but not too bad. Now I'm gonna work on sandblasting a little bit of this rust around here, just some odd spots. And here is where I think I may have a possible crack. I'm hoping it's just a shelf of rust, so I'm gonna sandblast that. So there's also something running up, sorry about the camera, right there. So that's what I'm gonna get all cleaned up so I can take a look at that. Yeah, I'll get back to you when it's done. This is how we sandblast. So this is what we're looking at now. I do got a few more places to touch up. So you know, this all sandblasted, just these little bits. Sure, it'll rust again maybe, but eventually I'd like to get a hoist and I'll tear the whole bottom apart, you know, strip it clean and start fresh. But until then, this is fine. And then here's the jack mount, or sorry, the subframe mount. I just got this to do. I'll do that off camera. Just little bits to touch up here and there, and then I gotta cut that out. So that'll be the next bigger thing. So once I get that welded up, I'll show you. And who knows, I may just order some plates if I don't see why I couldn't make them. I don't have any tools for it really, but I don't think it would be that big of a deal. So we'll see. I'll look into it. The car doesn't go anywhere during the winter, and to be honest, last summer I drove it for like 2 weeks. It was kind of sad, but it just costs a lot of money. But I think every E46 owner knows the deal. So this video is just going to be a quick one. Just trying to get some content on the channel to start. Get a little better with editing videos and filming videos as well. So, you know, this is my first channel, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.